this?
After all the backbreaking prep work,
What's this?
Sunday would be easy. But Dawn and her crew were already working by the time I got there.
You say we can get this far? You say we can get this far? Ow! Ow! Say we can get this far? Can't we? But then we start getting bitten. Ow, ow, ow!
So we're just kind of stretching these into this suction tank. So this is the machine I had to rake all that muck.
Don't take it out on the cat. Leave the cat alone.
Toward the suction tank. Any berries that escaped the first time.
Run, Percy.
by the outer part of
Leave the pussycat
the
alone.
See, this balloon is slowly.
Hey,
That we're gonna bring in, and you can see the difference in density. See, this is really loose. And these, thick.
what you doing?
Dawn estimates that there's 400 barrels of cranberries here. That's an understanding of what equates
What you doing, bud?
Yeah, I know you're crappy now, aren't you?
The hoop is getting smaller.
What you doing?
Smaller.
Oh, there goes the apple.
I'm noticing a lack of suction right now.
You're gonna get it off, aren't you?
There is a.
You're determined to get it off.
Taking place as we speak,
Just about had it.
which means we can't get the cranberries in the truck. Is there anything I can do to help the situation? Can I get up there and help you guys?
See what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Push the sleeve up,
Okay.
because you're gonna go down. You're gonna get near that
There goes the
suction line,
ball.
so there's no weeds in there.
You got it caught under your feathers at the back, that's why.
Where's the suction?
Keep moving, you feel it with your feet.
Alright, got it.
There, now swirl your hands around in there and see if you can feel any weeds.
This is how so many.
It's on there forever, Oscar.
You got sucked into the cranberry machine.
Look out, pussycat!
It's not there, man.
That's it.
I mean,